So I'm Elyse Dawson, I'm from Leoni Wiring Systems. Fantastic, yeah, really good. We've been allowed to collaborate with other members in the company, which we probably don't work with on a one-to-one basis very often, and share experiences and also coach one another to try and improve a little bit, which has been really helpful. My biggest takeaway is probably actually opening the communication loops and feedback loops with my team to help sort of establish an adult-to-adult relationship. Sometimes I think we lack that because we assume things, and rather than assuming, we should just have that open conversation and ask, how do you feel about this? Do you have any other ideas which you think might be useful? Things like that, which is kind of the main thing, really. Yeah, so building on what I've just said, really, we have a one-to-one session already established in Leoni once a year, and need to use that to open that dialogue with the team and understand what sort of motivates them, what they're looking for in their role, and how we can build on that, and how we can build on that to give them further motivation, because they're doing a fantastic job, but maybe they don't always get that recognised, or they may want to develop and do something slightly different, and it's having that open conversation with them to agree on next steps. Okay, yeah, so I have been to Ashorne before. I did the Leoni graduate scheme quite a few years ago now, but it's a fantastic place, really great facilities, lovely food, and also is very nice at Christmas when the big tree's up and the fire.